Hi there, and welcome to Monday Mindsets. I'm Mark Peebles, here to help you get your mindset right for the week. This week, we're talking about the brick by brick mindset. Oftentimes, we just want things to be finished. We want to get to the finished project. We want to be at ultimate success. But if you want to get there, you got to build brick by brick. Really, it's more than just brick by brick. You can't start setting bricks until you have a foundation. You see, going through and setting the right foundation is what's going to allow you to not just build brick by brick, but the deeper you go with your foundation, the taller you can go with what you're going to build. But what you're going to build, no matter how big it's going to be, you have to build on the foundation, and you have to do it brick by brick. So when we look at foundation in our real estate world, what is the foundation? I believe the foundation is, first of all, your vision. What is your vision? What's your personal vision? What's your vision for your business? I teach a class on this, and actually part of the Ultimate Success Framework, 100 Days to 100K, that is launched, I believe. By the time this episode comes out, it'll be launched. But with that vision is what is going to carry you. It's going to what is going to keep you on the right path, right? Because you can see the vision. It's what's going to help you to have direction and know where you're going. So I believe that vision is a big part of the foundation. Then the other thing is your list. Now, I've talked about your list in the past. These are the people, your sphere of influence, your circle of influence, the people who know you and that you know that you can begin to build consistent and systematic relationships with. If you're going to be successful, you need a list. You need kind of that vision of who you're going to start reaching out to and building those meaningful relationships with that ultimately will lead to your success. All right, so that's the foundation, but now we build brick by brick. You know, when you do very small things consistently over a period of time, those small things turn into big things. Now, I wasn't successful overnight in business. I started in 2006, right before the crash. And I started building some things, but then the crash happened and I crashed with it. And I lost focus during that time. I really came back full-time, committed to the real estate business in 2013. And when I came back in, I began building again brick by brick. I had the foundation, I had the people, the relationships, I had vision for my business, but I had to start building brick by brick. And it didn't happen overnight. In fact, starting back full-time in 2013, it was 2016, 3 years later, where all of a sudden I saw things absolutely take off. But it's because as I was laying the brick by brick, as we were putting each brick in place, we were building on a good foundation, but each brick, now all of a sudden we got more efficient as we were laying the bricks. They were going down faster. They were setting faster, right? And so we started to see the results, and we could build on top of all of the other bricks that were setting on a good foundation. And before you know it, things just were taking off and growing and blowing up. We had a team at one point of over 10 agents, or around 10 agents, over 10 people on the team, I should say. And I was making more money than I'd ever made up to that point in my life. Not that money is the only thing, but I know we all want to make more money, right? It's one of the reasons we work. But all of that didn't happen by, just hoping it would happen. We actually had to work. I've watched masons work before. In fact, I've got a great mason I love to refer to in my business. He fixes chimneys for me, and he's built walls and all kinds of stuff. I've had him too. And as I watch him work, bricks are heavy. You've got to get them on site. You've got to move them around. You're often working in difficult conditions. But as he lays those bricks and does the job right, he ends up with a beautiful finished project. And you've got to know that if you want to see the finish line, if you want to reach your ultimate destination, it starts by going brick by brick. But it's got to be on the right foundation. So that's my thoughts for you today. My challenge today is don't despise the small things. I feel like the Bible might say that. So don't despise the small things, the small beginnings, right? Just keep doing those small things, and eventually it'll turn into something beautiful. Have a great week.